Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Kajilaniam ba Shillong kala penkutno ya ka Proseshon Bah lan umkra Mary Help Christian ha kabada ki langngut ki pad U Blei na kilai tili ki jilaniam ka jawai nongston kilawan ban aingu aidem ya utrai Jesu. O apostolic Nyonso Leopoldo Girili unong mi khmat ha India bat Nepal jung ukpa bakun ulalong ukongsan ban pinminta ya kamas bakut haringkan u Archbishop jongga Shillong Archdiocese u Most Reverend Victor Lingdo u Bishop Wilbert Marwin Nongston u Bishop Ferdinand Dakhar Jawai bat u Bishop Sunrop ka Aizwal u Archbishop ban Nyonsio Leopoldo Girili haba ai jingkran sha kipat U Blei ha kamas bakun u pinkan mau ya ka jingnet kurim ki briew ki bara ya ka sharang ka badap da ka umpnyang ulap siap ikipat U Blei bandap da umensim U Blei ha ki doknut bat long ki belapen kre ya ka jing im la jong. Ha ka juk kapor, jong ka ngu ka demblei na kaliang ka editorial ka kot khubor ka ying Kristan kalapen kup buram ya uba apol maunyo kum unong tho article bat betam jong usnem arhajar arpulai ya ka bala ai du Nyonso Leopoldo Girili baru Archbishop Victor Lingdo. Ya ka jingjied Proseshon kablas dang na Calvary da ka jinglam kman da ka dingpna boat ka Cathedral Band, Don Bosco Band, bar ka Saviour Junior Raid Band. U Bishop Ferdinand Dakhar Jawai Diocese bat Nyonsio Leopoldo Girili kilong ki kongsan banra ya ka Sacrament Eucharist bala pinriam itanat da ka kali. La ban kado ba ka ne ka Eucharistic Procession na pelong habaro ka way ka perthai ya ka balatip kum ka Corpus Christi lani kamet u Jesu hagaktin Latin. Ya kane ka Eucharistic Procession na pelong ningkong da kaying mani Catholic hausnem sihajar arspa saufnyaw ha Belgium. Bat kat bayat kis pasnem kane ka jingjied kirungen kala kelalong karukam ha kaleng ka satlak ka perthai.
Ya utrai ulang kempas yang so happy dan eksperimen bayi dan aku pun part makin kita
in Jesus. When we look at the life of the saints, all the saints had great devotion to the Holy Eucharist and they were transformed gradually. The Eucharistic presence of Jesus has the power to transform us. We receive Jesus through His body and blood in Holy Communion. It is instituted by Jesus Himself in His Last Supper as His parting gift to be with us in His Holy Church till the end of times. We need to realize that the union that occurs in the Holy Eucharist is a special and mutual union. We commonly refer to the receiving of the Eucharist as communion, meaning union with. Jesus is speaking to us about this mutuality of this union when He says, "He who eats my flesh and drinks my blood abides in me and I in him." In John chapter 6 verse 56. Jesus is speaking about a reciprocal union that occurs when we receive Him in the Holy Communion. Jesus comes to us in this sacrament and acts in us. But this coming to us and acting in us should evoke same kind of response on our part, that is, we too need to abide in Him. As we respond to the invitation of Jesus, let Him abide in us and let ourselves abide in Him. In Holy Communion, we are in a penilungan iyo balikat Mariang percaya bakungan besar prabangin kaya kumbau Jisu dua nya benta jilang kawai masnya barang hadane ke klipan swa bangin mi kadane lempung jam bijamani ini ya Jisu U Blei highway agar do to de Eucharis ko dan baang ini tintin ke bau Jisu ang ngaduai ba timbit long kawai ko pa to pinlong kawai bani kumban melong batna nga batni ba kapatay kan ngai badai mani balapha nya ngalaay haki kejo keburam kabam nilaay hanga nang ba tinduk long kawai kumbanong mani rabangit ite ni ayu yang Blei ai ni ya lukun badan hadal ke Eucharis mita dari mau berakat ini dari mau berapallang ini ro banwalang baro laitli ke diocese kumjoro jaga iso diocese lang ba His Grace Bishop Joachim badan lang nado benin nado mita Tadno ni ngayon ba ni hat men sim ba ni hem men sim abang dan lang kumni free